Everybody, it's Tim at enginefactory.com here. Just finished building this beautiful 350 Chevrolet 400 horsepower turnkey engine. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. We started with a late model 4-bolt main block, 1-piece rear main seal, brand new balancer, new timing cover, double roller timing chain, roller lifter camshaft, aluminum cylinder heads are on there, all the roller rock arms fully adjusted and set. Brass freeze plugs installed. We have the red Taylor ignition wires, made in USA. All the wire markers are on there. It's real nice Chevrolet chrome valve covers. The air cleaners on there with a washable filter. Thermostat housings installed. Thermostat is in there. Extra water ports on there for any sensors if needed. Quick fuel carburetors installed. Throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket. You have the MSD ignition coil on there. Small cap distributor, real important for firewall clearance. All set in place. Proper automatic flex plate, proper tooth count and balance for the 350 Chevrolet. High torque mini starter, chrome dipstick and tube. PCV ventilation line. Manifold vacuum fittings installed. Electric choke wire. High flow fuel pump. Heavy duty Russell fuel line, inline gas filter, all the fittings installed. Every engine is live run at the engine factory for over 45 minutes. You're going to see a video of your engine running in the stand. Manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, oil pressure, cold and hot. Timing will be set, carburetor fully adjusted, complete, drop in, ready to go. So again, this is our 350 Chevrolet 400 horsepower roller cam turnkey engine. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.